Welcome to First, the learning platform that will help you to learn new skills faster, share knowledge across your business easily, and tap into the wisdom of your teammates. In just 2 minutes, we'll show you everything that you need to know to learn faster and level up your career. Let's dive in. In First, everything starts with My Learning, where all the content that you need to grow your career lives. Up next shows you the latest learning journeys, quizzes, courses and content that will help you to gain the knowledge that you need to supercharge your career. Upcoming events lets you see any future events across your organisation, like product launches, training sessions and all hands meetings. Get fresh content every day that's based on your career goals, skills and interests. And the best bit? First learns as you learn. So the more that you read, view, listen and learn, the more that First recommends the type of content that works best for your unique learning style. Enhance My Skills gives you an instant overview of the skills that you are working towards and recommended skills based on your career goals. Suggested People for You lets you instantly see the influencers in your organisation, the people that you should be following to help you further your career. You can also see the skills they have and the ones they are working towards, helping you to follow their career path. You can connect with anyone that's new to your team and organisation and help them to grow their career too.